Hey there, project managers. Before you dive into your Gantt charts, risk logs, or kickoff meetings, there's one crucial stakeholder you're overlooking. You. Yep. Before you think about managing timelines, tasks, or team dynamics, you need to manage yourself. Let's face it, even the best project plan won't save you from perfectionism that delays delivery, fear of asking for resources, procrastination under pressure, or people-pleasing that wrecks scope control. Think of yourself as your first project. Do a personal SWOT analysis. Identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Why, you ask? Because project management isn't just about tools and templates, it's also about emotional intelligence, self-discipline, and clarity under chaos. If you don't catch these habits early, your projects will expose them, with delays, escalations, and maybe even budget blowouts. Be self-aware like you're managing a $1 million client. Because you kind of are, you're managing your future self. So take a moment, look inward, identify your blockers, assess your risks, and plan your workarounds. Self-awareness is your secret weapon. It's the foundation that makes all those spreadsheets and tools actually work. Remember, a well-managed project starts with a well-managed project manager. So get to know you, and watch your project soar. Catch you in the next video.